Letters, 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 letters.
Welcome everybody, my name is Louie, this is Pablo. I just want to thank everyone who has recently subscribed to our channel. Welcome. Basically what we do here is produce van life content and sometimes trucker videos, because that's what I do for a living. But I just wanted to say hello and thank you for subscribing, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Deuces. Say bye, Pablo. Say bye. You want a hug? Want a hug? He hates hugs. Okay, bye. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. This sucks, man. What the hell? Another rainy day today, another rainy day tomorrow. Ugh, my life. We need the rain, I guess. Oh, I guess we need the rain. Do we need it to rain like every single day, though? Oh well. What are you gonna do? More rain! Yay! I should look it up. I think that this is a historic amount of rain that has fallen this year.
Angeles, where a flood watch is in effect. Scott, I mean, it looks bad behind you. How are things going, and how are people preparing for yet another storm?
Yeah, folks will be forgiven if they don't recognize what's behind me. That is the LA River.
Wow.
You may be used to seeing it basically running dry or a trickle. They film movie car chases and drag races through here. Now they could probably do a whitewater rafting scene if the weather was not so absolutely.
So just imagine all the flooding, and then they're telling us that we are still in a drought, and that we will be in a drought for another X amount of years. Meanwhile, everything's flooded, so they're just dumping millions, I don't know how many, but a lot of gallons of water, probably millions of gallons of water into the ocean, because there's nowhere to put it. This is just unbelievable. Only in California. Unbelievable. All right. Back to the video.
More inches of rain falling on it, which is what we're expecting over the next 24 hours or so.
It's unbelievable. All right. What are you doing, bro? You look guilty as hell. Why are you staring at me? They say that if a dog stares at you, that they love you. So, that's what's going on, man. We just chilling over here. Another day in the rain, blah, 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 blah. Oh, thank you. Oh, that feels so good, Pablo. What? Oh, you want me to scratch you? Okay, okay. Oh, good boy. That's on the outside, by the way. But I am getting a little dribble right there, but so what? It's coming down, folks. It's been non-stop all day. Look at what it's whipping my trees around. Oh well. It's supposed to rain all day today and all day tomorrow. It is what it is. More rain. Not really getting to enjoy anything. Just so much rain, man. Holy moly. I think it stopped raining for a couple of minutes. Let's see what's going on out here. It's still drizzling. Holy moly. We've had nothing but rain for the last 3 or 4 days. We're going crazy over here with all this rain. Okay guys, so here's a huge surprise. Ready? This is our first time flying a drone. We decided we were gonna go ahead and invest in a drone for the channel because some people say, I'm not going to subscribe to Grumpy Louie because he doesn't have a drone. Well, here at Grumpy Louie, we spare no expense. Look at these absolutely beautiful and majestic views. We are out here at a beautiful campsite. There's no one else around us. It's a little windy, so bear with us. But just look at these absolutely unbelievable shots of the step van. We are enjoying our time out here. Sure, it's been raining a little bit, but we love it. We wouldn't change a thing. Hey, just enjoy the video. I have not lost my mind. I'm just bored. Just enjoy the video, will you? There's some blue sky over there. But then there's some ominous clouds over there. We got this guy over here. Yeah, I know. Unbelievable. Make it stop. By the way, for those of you who don't know, maybe you're new to our channel, this is my step van. We live in it full time. And we are now trying to stay out of the weather because it's just been absolutely ridiculous. Rain 4 days in a row. Tomorrow is going to rain again. And then after that, hopefully it's going to be nothing but blue skies. These lanterns that are rechargeable via USB, I've owned them now going on 3 years and they still work perfectly fine. This one's fully charged so I could disconnect it. It's got the green light on. But this is AYL, whatever that is. Yeah, 1800 lumen. These things work great. It's got the foldable hook. See that? Instead of hardwiring electrical throughout my van, I just knew from the beginning that I was just going to be using these things. That's low, that's medium, and that's high. And on its very low setting, and it's got this little blinker thing. On the very low setting, you can also hold a button down and it'll dim. On its dimmest setting, this thing will last all night long. On the highest setting, it probably lasts 3.5 hours. But I rarely use it on the highest setting. Instead of hardwiring your van or whatever it is that you're using, consider one of these. All right, that's it.